Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the AI note taker. And this is a nice tool in ClickUp and you can use this in your calls or in your meetings. And before we are doing this, we go right here to Planner. Then right here at Planner, we need to sync one of our accounts from Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. So we select right here Microsoft Outlook and now we make sure that we link right here an account of us. So we need to log in right here and then there we are. Then we do skip for now, give access. And then right now, if you can see, we are right here in our planner. So my planning nowadays is very empty if you can see, but right now if you create a planner right here, so let's create an event and we do from here YouTube AI note test, something like that. There we are. Then we do save. And then if you can see right now, we are having here our schedule for a meeting. If you want to use the AI note taker, we go right here to AI notes and we make sure right here that we link a planner from us. So with that, I mean a Microsoft account or Google Calendar. So now we select right here our primary agenda. And then right now, the only thing that you need to do is when you go to your Teams meeting, so when you are right here in your Teams meeting, so at video, that's fine. And then right now you see right here that you will go to a Teams call. You need to put that link right here at AI Notes and drop it right here in Send AI Note Maker. So that is the only thing that you need to do. Put the link from your meeting right here and then you can click here on send and then you send an AI note maker to your call. So that is the only last step that you need to do from here. And this is how you can use the AI note taker in ClickUp. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.